Nouns Showdown. Collective nouns versus uncountable nouns. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English nouns, but with a twist. We are focusing on collective nouns and uncountable nouns and discussing the unique characteristics that separate them from each other. Buckle up, as we're about to demystify these intriguing parts of English grammar. Let's begin by defining our main terms. Collective nouns are nouns that, although singular in form, refer to a group or collection of people, animals, or things. Examples include team, family, flock, and bunch. On the other hand, uncountable nouns, sometimes called mass nouns, refer to things that we cannot count individually because they are often seen as a whole or mass. These include terms like water, information, rice, and music. Understanding how these nouns behave in a sentence is key to differentiating them. Collective nouns can take either a singular or plural verb depending on whether the group or collection is being thought of as a single entity or as multiple individuals. For example, the team is playing well, versus the team are wearing their new jerseys. Uncountable nouns, on the contrary, are always considered singular and can't be used with a, an, or in the plural. For instance, we say, I need some information, not an information, or informations. Now, you may wonder, how can we count something if it's uncountable? Here's the fun part. We can actually count uncountable nouns by using measurement words or quantities, also known as partitives. For example, a cup of tea, 2 bottles of water, or 3 pieces of advice. However, collective nouns are already counted because they refer to a group or collection as a whole. And there you have it. Collective nouns and uncountable nouns may sound similar, but they play different roles in English grammar. Understanding the difference helps us make our sentences clearer and more accurate. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll become a pro in identifying and using these nouns. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, learning English is a journey, so enjoy every step.